Devi Chand, the artist behind Paper Melon. Today I'll be taking you through a DIY for some fun wind chimes that you can easily make with popsicle sticks. Vaiga, this is my partner in craft. Will you be assisting me today? Yeah? So first let's take a look at the materials we'll need for this project.
I've taken some colorful popsicle sticks, but you can also take plain brown sticks if that's what you prefer. And then a couple of paper plates, about 5 paper cups. I've taken some wooden beads here, but then any kind of bead will just work fine. Then you need some basic tools like a scissor that's strong enough to cut the sticks, then a pencil, some glue, some thick thread and needle, and a ruler. Now let's get started. So first, let's find some nice color combinations for our wind chimes. We are going to have 5 paper cups. So yeah, Vaika is just helping me pick out some beautiful colors. Now let's cut these sticks into 2. So I'm just marking the center. Now let's cut all of them into halves. Now we need these paper cups to be slightly shorter than the sticks. And now we'll cut it out. Now let's apply some glue on the cups and start sticking the sticks. We'll need to adjust these sticks a little bit so that the colors are alternating, but don't try too hard to get it perfect. It's fine. Yeah, so it's here. Now let's have a look at all that we have made. Do you like them, Vaika? Which one is your favorite? That one? Okay. Now let's stick 2 paper plates together because they'll be stronger that way. Now let's cut the thread for the chimes. I'm thinking of making them at 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13 inches. But when you're cutting, make sure you're leaving some extra, so that you have enough to tie the knots. Now let's mark 5 points in the plate where the thread will go inside. Okay, so now let's attach the first cup to the plate. So this is the 5-inch thread. Let's put a small knot, and then we can put a bead inside. Now put the needle in and pierce a hole right in the center. Now let's put a few more beads inside. And since this is going to be a 5-inch thread, I'm going to put another knot at about 2.5 inches. Now this does not have to be exact. Now let's put some more beads inside. Okay, now where's the plate? Yeah, so pierce at a point that you have marked earlier. So I've put one more bead, and let's put another knot and finish it. And just chop off the extra thread. Here you go, the first one is ready. Now just repeat for all the other cups, and yeah, now it's ready. Now we just have to attach a loop in the center so that we can hang this. You need to put a hole right in the center of the plate. Now this time it has to be exactly the center, because otherwise it becomes difficult to balance. Now let's cut a small piece of this thread. If you find it difficult to get the thread inside, just apply a little bit of glue at the tips. I think about 2 to 3 inches should be good for the loop. And inside, let's just put a nice big tight knot. And just chop off the edges. There you go. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you love all things eco-friendly, check out paper jewelry and decor handmade by me at papermelon.com.